Welcome, in front of me is REALME Note 70T, and in this video I'm going to show you how to boost network strength on your smartphone. So in order to refresh your mobile data connection, you can toggle airplane mode by turning it on and then off, and then off again, so that everything else can restart. If it doesn't help, then move to an area with better coverage, and if you cannot do that, then you can try enabling Wi-Fi calling in settings for your mobile network. Go to mobile network, your SIM card, and select Wi-Fi calling and turn this option on. And if it doesn't help you, then try resetting network settings. To do that, go to System and Updates, Reset Phone, Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. And then wait until your connection is re-established. And if it still doesn't help you, then you should contact your carrier to check for outages. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.